Welcome to the world of purposeful movement and stage presence, where every step and gesture adds depth to your speech delivery. Let's dive into how you can master this art. First, understand why it matters. Purposeful movement and stage presence not only engage your audience but also build credibility and convey confidence. By moving with intention, you can emphasize key points, enhance storytelling, and keep your audience captivated. Next, embrace purposeful movement. Learn to move with intention and meaning, whether it's walking across the stage to signify transitions or using gestures to illustrate concepts. Each movement should serve a purpose and enhance your message. Master confident movement techniques by practicing good posture and fluid, controlled movements. Avoid sudden or jerky motions that may distract your audience. Use the entire stage confidently to maintain audience engagement and command attention. Engage in movement exercises to improve your stage presence and fluidity. Practice walking across the stage while maintaining eye contact with imaginary audience members. Rehearse natural gesturing while speaking, ensuring your movements align seamlessly with your message. Seek feedback from peers or mentors on your movement and stage presence. Adjust based on their suggestions, refining gestures for clarity or adjusting pacing as needed. With continued practice, you'll feel confident and natural in your movements, enhancing your overall speech delivery. For example, in a speech about environmental conservation, you might move closer to the audience when discussing deforestation to emphasize urgency. Using open palms to symbolize trees being cut down visually reinforces your message and evokes an emotional response. Remember, purposeful movement and stage presence elevate your speech delivery, allowing you to connect with your audience and leave a lasting impact.